right here in my hands, congratulations to a client, case dismissed for over $9,500. Now, when we had spoke with this young lady, she's got 2 kids. She was very worried. She was under a whole bunch of stress and anxiety. And we told her that we believed that we would be able to help her. And that's a very important thing. I know that there's a lot of stuff that's out there, people making videos, people making claims. We are very upfront and honest with everyone that we work with, that we choose to work with. And if we can't help you, we're going to let you know. But also, we don't just kick you to the curb like other companies or these attorneys and, other services that claim to help people with debt collector lawsuits, that claim to help people with default judgments. No, what we do is we will give you the information. So if you are not able to, for whatever reason, afford our services, we'll give you the information and you can try to, figure something out for yourself, but at least you're not just left out there. When she came to us, she was under so much stress, so much pressure. Could you imagine, single mom with 2 kids, and you have this case for over $9,500 facing you? They knock at your door. They are asking, are you that person? And you need to sign this, and then they say that you've been served, and then you're looking at all of this stuff that's on that paper, what they're saying about you, and you're like, some of this stuff, yeah, I did have a loan with these people, but man, the way that they're describing me in this court document, it's going to make me look very bad in front of the judge if they're reading this. Like, they'll say things like, you unjustly enriched yourself, like as if you just got the card or the account and never wanted to pay it back. They don't take into account in their summons document, they don't say anything about the payments that you made and all of that stuff. They just say, hey, this person is a bad person and they don't want to pay, and judge, we want you to bring the hammer down on them and make them pay us. And they don't want you to think about your rights. They just want you to get fully emotional and make you disregard that you have a right to defend yourself whenever someone says anything about you in a court document and files that with the court. They want you to have your eyes only on the amount that they claim that you owe, on what you had done in the past with the original creditor or the debt collector or whoever owns the debt. That's what they want you to think about. They don't want you to think nothing about how you can defend yourself. They don't want you to even think about responding. They want you to just think about getting that default judgment, because even if you show up and you don't know what to say, don't know what to do, don't know how to say it, you're just going to end up getting a judgment. It's just like you're just giving up all of your rights. That's what they want you to do. They want you to be fully emotional so you don't have any type of relief like this young lady where she got $9,500 completely dismissed. And you can even go to our website to see other people who got their cases dismissed. The highest one was $141,000, and that person did not have to say anything in court because the documents that was put together for them did all of the talking. So don't allow these debt collectors, and even if it's an original creditor, when they sue you and take you to court, don't be worried about, hey, the account was mine and this and that. That's what they want you to focus on. If it was just about that, they would have never wrote out that complete complaint or summons or citation against you detailing all of that other stuff. The reason why they did it is because it matters to the court. They can't just walk in there with a statement and say you owe this amount. They have to actually build a case against you. And because they're going out of their way to try to build a case, and a lot of it is built on lies, you had an opportunity to defend yourself. And if you know what to say, how to say it, and what to do, you're going to put yourself in a position where you're going to level the playing field. And then if you have a company that actually will do that for you, so you don't even have to say anything other than, yes, I'm the person who they're suing, I'm the right person, and then the judge reads your defense, how would you feel if that happened? And then even after the court process, we help you with that also. So we help you before, we help you during, and we help you after. So if you're being sued by a debt collector or original creditor, visit summonsmaster.com, where you can get a complete, fully formatted response to every allegation in your summons and a defense to help you win your case. Thank you for your time.